Bicycle Evolution, we are going to continue in our series of road fixes you can do with minimum or no tools or improvised tools out there. Today we're going to talk a little bit about chain repair and master links, or quick links as they're known. In this case, he's right here. We're going to talk about how to take him off and put him back on without any tools or with an improvised tool, which I'll go get outside in the back if I can find one. Stay tuned. Here we go. Yeah, we'll go out here and see if we can find a official tool or an unofficial tool to take these quick link apart. Yeah, that'll work. So we got this thing here. That is a piece of metal, like a big twisty. Okay, we found our official quick link removing tool, and we're going to stick it over here. I will thread this through and thread it through again, and then we just start tightening until it comes apart. Just like your thing, you can already see it starting to move a little bit there. I do this, I have to remember to always use the newest chain. Whoop, we broke it. Didn't quite get enough, or did we? We're about halfway through it, so let's get the other half. Come like that. I might be able to just pop it now because it's mostly done. Like that. Across like that. And let's see if I can just pull it apart. Nope, I have to keep doing it this way. There it went. Voila. And the quick link's apart. Okay. So that we managed to take the quick link off, we're going to put it back on. So the way you do that without tools is almost the same as with tools. Put it back onto it, hooks. We're going to, this time though, we're going to put tension back on the drivetrain. We're going to go ahead and hook all this back up. Like that. And of course our chain decided to come off its cassette. That's life in the showbiz. There we go. Okay, we're going to bring that around to here so it's on the drive side. You can see it's there. All right, now we're going to take the bike down like that. Put it on the floor here. I'm going to climb onto this cruise bike and I'm going to set the chain. Ready? You get it on that one? Yep. There we go. And the quick link's back on. The way I did that was I held the brakes and then snapped my foot forward and kicked the pedal on the power side. So there you go. That's how you put a quick link back on.